This guard is an optional Type 1 guard for your grinder. The Type 1 guard covers both the top and bottom of the wheel. It fits 4.5-inch wheels. The Type 1 guard is commonly used with cutoff wheels and diamond cutting wheels. Installing this Type 1 guard on your grinder is easy to do, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut from the grinder. Now I can remove the guard. The guard's held in place with a cam latch. I'll release the latch, rotate the guard around until the tabs on the guard line up with the slots on the grinder. And then I can pull it away from the hub. I'll go ahead and remove the inner flange as well. It'll make installing the new guard a little easier. I'll place a screwdriver under the flange and pry it off the O-ring on the spindle. Now I can install the new guard. I'll release the cam lock. I'll align the tabs on the guard with the slots on the hub. Rotate the guard around to the position I want for the work I'm doing, and then lock it into place. Now I can reinstall the inner flange. And the lock nut. And that's all it takes to install a new Type 1 guard on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.